Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing some AELEC S350 wireless Bluetooth headphones. AELEC did reach out and send me these to review on my channel, but any opinion expressed in this video is my own. Here's how they're going to come packaged to you from Amazon. A nice neat little box, and you can check out the link in my video description below to see if these are the headphones for you. They're like 20 bucks on Amazon, a pretty good deal for just something if you want to just throw in your fitness bag as you go work out. Dust-proof, sweat-proof, that sort of thing. So really cool. Here's the packaging again. Nothing spectacular, but you're not going to keep it. It does have a case as well. And here's the back that's telling you the contents in it. So the first thing we see, it's the headset itself, a hard carrying case. 3 rubber ear tips, so a small, medium, and large size for your ear. Micro USB charging cable, 1 foam ear tip, and 1 user manual, excuse me. So that being said, let's go ahead and look at the headphones. This is everything out of the box. All right, some foam. Here's that nice card again. I've seen in my other headphones too, same manufacturer. Just thanking you for being a valued customer, which is exciting. Then we have the AELEC user manual. This is going to show you how to use the product, how to set it up. It's got pairing instructions, the controls for it, that sort of thing, how to charge it, and some troubleshooting. So might want to hold on to that if you have any sort of issues, but it's pretty straightforward. This is just to keep moisture out of the packaging as it's in shipment. So here's how it comes. Cool little case right here. We'll open it up. Here are the headphones. I like the color. The green's pretty cool, and it's just something easy to see in your bag or wherever you're keeping it. So that's really, really exciting. Sorry for any of that noise if you're hearing it. My dog is in the background. He's a puppy, and he just does not want to settle down today. So you can check out his channel too on YouTube. I'll put a link in this video. But here is how the headphones come. Really cool. They got a volume button right here, volume up or down, so that's really neat. You can see how they have an angle to fit in your ear, and then this is what they give you 3 different sizes for, so that's pretty cool. We'll go ahead, we'll just see how they fit as is. That's pretty comfortable. I'm really impressed. Again, for that $30 and under category of headphones, you can't really ask for much more. So I've been impressed with the last couple I reviewed from them as well too. Just really simple, straightforward, intuitive, easy to use, that sort of thing. Power button too on that side. So everything's controlled over there. Here's the different sets for your ear for more comfort, depending on what size of ear you have. If I can even open this bag. There we go. We can just look. So they give you black and clear, which is nice. 2 different colors. And then a couple different sizes depending on your ear and what comfort fit that you want. So that's really neat, really nice that they give you those options. Definitely want to hold on to that. And then lastly in the case, here's your micro USB to USB charging cable, which is nice that they include that. It can just be used with any USB charger. So that's always nice and easy. And then a couple more earbuds right here. These ones are really squishy and foamy, which is cool. So they give you a lot of different choices and options. Nice little carrying case to keep in your pocket, in your car, etc. So really an awesome set of headphones. Go ahead, guys, check them out. I also got some other review videos on some other similarly priced Bluetooth headphones that you can check out as well on my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that sub button. Leave me any questions, comments, concerns you have. Love to chat with you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.